Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a little while since we put together a video showcasing your garden spaces. We did several of them last winter. They were so inspiring. We showed your ponds, sheds, greenhouses, skinny side yards, summer container arrangements, and there were a few more. And we got so many good ideas from those. So what I'm wanting to do is to put together a video showcasing your holiday decor, your outdoor decor mostly. And I'm not talking Christmas lights. I'm talking mainly like entryways, wreaths, swags, container arrangements, window boxes, just however you arrange your home on the outside to make it look really festive and fun. I feel like we're right on the edge of exiting the fall season and entering into winter. We've got really cold temperatures on the forecast and some snow. We've got some really beautiful fall colors still though, but it's pretty chilly. I'm out planting bulbs today, trying to get that done in a hurry before the snow arrives. But anyway, I've just been outside. You know, there's not a lot to do while you're planting bulbs except to think about things. And I was thinking about what kind of decor I wanted to do this year, and I haven't nailed it down yet. So I thought it would be fun to show yours. So there will be a link down below this video. Follow that link. It'll tell you what to do. You can submit your pictures there, and then we will put together something here really soon. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.